I keep it safe, full of money with 100 round clips. I told my lady, get the cash in the mag. No questions asked, and filled it up in the duffel bag. I threw in my camouflage fatigue. I ate all my hand grenade in the ounce of weed. Head out the front and put the bag in the trunk. Right next to in the pistol grip pump. Hit my dogs on the celly. Mercenary group of killers. Methodical niggas with infrared. Hit the Lexus in reverse. LS400. Limo tint. Big body black photo. Met United at the diner. With Burt brought my badass hoe named China whose mother's dumping her vagina. Chocolate, jet black hair. Staring eyes, you should have seen her badass body look flexible like a ballerina. Seated at a booth. 3 niggas from raw and bulletproof. Met the combat, made more calls. Round up the troops. I told him Jay got snapped.